Hello everyone, today I am going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to make a Google slideshow. So you are going to see first that I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to move my mouse over here to New, click on that, then click on Google Slides to make a brand new Google slideshow. And we are going to be making a very basic presentation right now that you can be sharing with your class. So on the right gives me some themes to start. You could pick any one you want. I'll pick this blue one. That's pretty nice. All right. So now all my slides will have a different theme, so they don't look plain and white. Now where it says click to add title, very simple. Google makes this easy for you. I can click right here and add slideshow practice. And that's it. The other thing I always suggest all my students do first is up in the top left here where it says Untitled Presentation, name it something, and if you already typed a title for your slideshow, when you click, it will automatically import it there, Slideshow Practice. You can click to add a subtitle if you want, you don't have to. I'll put Mr. Sarcom. Very simple. Now, when I want to add a new slide, unlike a Google Doc where it just flows through page after page, in slides you have to tell it to add new slides, and that's going to be this plus button over here. I either just click it to add a totally new slide, or if I click this arrow next to it, I could select how I want that slide to look. I'll say this is the first slide. I could add some text to this slide, and you could add bullet points. So up here I like to add bullet points. Fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. Pretty cool. Now if you decide you want to change the layout while you're working on a slide, you can definitely do that. If I go to my slide menu, I go to apply layout, I could change it to one column text. Fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. Make that a little bigger, it's a little small. You'll notice the toolbar up here is very similar to using Google Docs, and we use Google Docs a lot, so you should be pretty familiar with how slides works. Now I have this big space over here. Unlike a document, I don't want it to just be all text. When you're doing a presentation, you want your viewers to have something to look at while you are presenting. So I'm going to add a picture over here. I'll go to my Insert menu. I'm going to go to Image. Search the web. And what's great about using the image search built into Google Slides is right down here where it says only select images that you have confirmed that you have the license to use. So it's only going to show you image results for things that you have a license to use. So you don't have to cite any of these. I'm going to go to, let's see, type in slides. So there'd be a Google Slides icon, but just for the sake of this, I can click one, just drag it out, and it's automatically going to insert it into my slideshow. I can move it around. You see those red lines or guides for where you can place it, and then if I grab one of these buttons, I can actually resize it. There you go. Should be nice and centered now. My page. And that's going to be it for our real quick intro on how to use Google Slides.